proper installation of high-quality roof deck protection is the foundation on which a good roof system is built. Always use high-quality roof deck protection underlayments like Deck Armor, Tiger Paw, or Shingle Mate. These materials allow moisture to escape while providing the very best protection against wind-driven rain. It also lays flatter for a better-looking roof. We call them deck protectors because they are a critical waterproofing layer over the exposed deck. Never use non-breathable felts made out of polyethylene or laminated waterproof papers as underlayments over the roof deck. These materials may trap moisture and prevent it from escaping. Here's what to pay attention to when installing quality roof deck protection.
Begin the underlayment application by first rolling out the products such as Deck Armor, Tiger Paw, or Shingle Mate. On decks with a slope of 4 inches or more per foot, apply 1 layer of deck protector. For low slope applications of 2 to 4 inches per foot, install GAF roof deck protection half-lapped up the entire roof slope to promote a water-resistant application. If 2 or more pieces are required to finish a course, overlap the ends by at least 6 inches so that the water cannot infiltrate between the ends. Keep end laps at least 6 feet away from end laps in adjacent courses. Remember, at penetrations such as rakes, sidewalls, hips, and ridges, the deck protection is installed before the leak barrier. Deck Armor, Tiger Paw, or Shingle Mate should be lapped over hips and ridges at least 6 inches. Finally, secure the roof deck protector with enough fasteners to hold it in place to keep the work surface safe and prevent the material from blowing off in the wind while you're continuing the job. Make certain to follow local codes when fastening deck protectors, especially in high wind areas. In the unlikely event of a shingle blow-off, quality roof deck protection can provide short-term water resistance until more permanent repairs can be made. Quality roof deck protectors can also help shield the shingles from resin or other chemicals in the wooden deck that can attack asphalt and damage the shingles. Since quality roof deck protection resists moisture absorption, it lays flatter than cheap felts. This means shingles lie flatter, giving property owners a better looking roof and ensuring maximum protection from water infiltration.
To learn more about proper installation and the variety of underlayments GAF offers, visit gaf.com.